Well. Yeah, it's definitely going on my archives. I'm recording with this one. Hey, how you doing? Oh, I'm sorry. I was just speaking though. Well, I thought you wanted to speak or something. Yeah, everybody getting in line, you know. I don't know who she was waving at though, you know. Well, that was somebody in that costume over there. So I ain't going in there though. I have no time to waste, you know. Yeah. Better than Domino, I have no time to waste. Nala, where are you? Huh? I'm so upset that she's not here, you know.
Some guys went in.
The girl with the horns. Oh, Bobby, you right? Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right behind me.
Yeah.
Okay.